What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome error code status_breakpoint. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error, the easiest way to literally fix this error is to go to your Chrome, not an incognito, like a regular Chrome screen, like as you see, right? Chrome://flags until you get to this section here. It is entirely possible that there is some form of experimental flag that you either personally turned on or an extension turned on for some various reason, and all you need to do is basically press reset all to basically bring it back to default settings, right? And then once you do this, close out of Chrome, and if anything, restart your computer as well. You'd be surprised. A lot of times that fixes these issues as well. And then go from there and see if that fixed it for you. Once you do that, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. That's it. That's basically all you need to do, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like our video, please smash thumbs up, go ahead and shut up, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.